Here's 3 things to consider when upgrading your new roofing system. Number 1, install a skylight. The skylight game has changed. There's unbelievable warranties and different sizes and styles of skylight. We installed a skylight at our house. We recommend it to you. Number 2, install distinctive hip and ridge caps. Distinctive hip and ridge caps give you a different thickness level that really accentuates the lines of the roof and gives you this perfect finishing touch when you install a new roofing system. And the third thing to consider would be valley metal. Valley metal comes in all different styles and materials used. Valley metal is a good way to make your roof and set it apart from other roofs that are in your area. Keep watching below to see an individual video of all 3 of these ways to upgrade your roof.